It's not just the bot that makes seamless events, but those who also know how to control it, and that is you.
Make sure the brand has the same core values as yours. You need to believe in your brand. It's all about relationship.
Good day, mga Marketista! Thank you for being with us at the 34th General Assembly, Decipher the New Marketing Realm.
Despite the distance, we are gathered here virtually to celebrate the boundless passion to serve the marketing community and finally transcending it to greater heights.
When all is said and done, let's remember that every event that we do is about sharing valuable information and creating memorable and meaningful experiences for all of us.
For future marketers, learn and observe transition in technology.
You can never be comfortable with technology because it keeps on evolving, so this is very uncertain.
PR is very relationship-based. It's also the same like how you get in touch with your friends or with your loved ones. You have to be authentic, genuinely care for them. We all have to be more kind to one another and to check on each other every once in a while.
It's really putting a human touch towards it.
You have all been the inspiration and fuel to us. It is because of you that we continue to pursue crossing borders. Welcome to the PJMA family and see you on our next event.
We'd like to thank our generous sponsors, exclusive partners, High Rewards, The Wise Millennial, Platinum sponsors, Lala Food, RPG Distribution Services Incorporated, Shopee. Don't miss out on Shopee's biggest discounts and exclusive deals until December 12. Add more items to your cart as we count down to the 12/12 Big Christmas Sale. Sponsored by FranchiseManila.com, the #1 online magazine for business and franchise opportunities in the Philippines. Quick FX. Official media partners, Astig.ph, Tech Kuya, Adobo Magazine, The Word on Creativity, Carthel Manila, Coach Boost Geo, DZUP, Edge TV, Gadgets Magazine, Inquirer.net, Ink Pop, Light TV, God's Channel of Blessings, Sagisag Philippines, Spark Up, Official Radio Partner, Monster RX 93.1, Official Courier Partner, Corex Courier Express Philippines.